Tom.
This is a song you guys can sing.
Who?
Ha! Dogs, finger on it.
Who? Ha!
Sing it like that.
Who?
Oh yeah!
Ha!
Oh yeah!
Who?
Oh yeah!
Ha!
Oh yeah!
Who?
That's the sound of the man working at Drury.
Who?
Oh, that's the sound of the man working at Drury.
Who? Ha!
Oh yeah!
Who?
All day long you can
Ha!
hear them singing.
Who?
They're singing all day long.
Ha!
No!
Who?
They're putting all those
Ha!
singing, singing along.
Ha! Who? Ha!
Oh yeah!
Who?
Oh yeah!
No!
Ha!
Oh yeah!
No!
Who?
That's
No.
the sound of the man working very tired. Oh yeah! That's the sound of the man working very tired. Oh yeah! John comes up to me and he says that Nemo he's gonna win. He's laughing with other birds and all of them can't do nothing.
Who? Ha!
Oh yeah!
Who?
Oh yeah!
Ha!
Oh yeah!
Who?
That's the sound of the man working very
Who?
yes. Oh
Ha!
yeah!
Who?
That's the sound of the
Ha!
working very
Who?
oh yeah! Isaiah says, I'm feeling tired.
Ha!
I need some water.
Who? Ha!
I need
You're
a
not
rest.
Who?
Come to
Ha!
work!
Please help me. Please help me.
Ha!
I'm gonna take a day
Who?
off.
Det är Bill! Ha!
I'm gonna take 2 days
Who?
off.
Ha!
I'm gonna try and catch up
Who?
to Ryan.
Ha!
Drury had a whole week off.
Ha! Who? Ha! No, give me Jolly!
Speak the truth!
Ha!
Nothing but the truth!
Ha! Who? Ha!
That's the sound of the
Who?
working at Drury.
Ha!
Oh, yeah.
Who?
And then
Ha!
along comes a little Mariah.
Who?
Says, I got a little sore back. I can't come back.
Ha!
Here, I'm on AC. Look at me.
Who?
Look at me.
Ha!
That's the sound of the working at Drury.
Ha!
Ha!
Who?
Yeah.
Ha!
That's the sound of the
Who?
working at Drury.
Ha!
Oh, yeah.
Who?
Well, then along comes James. He says, I'm gonna have to take the day off. My little baby's not feeling too well. I see her coming.
Ha!
That's the sound of the
Who?
working at Drury.
Ha!
Woo, woo, woo.
Ha!
That's the sound of the
Who?
working at Drury.
Ha!
Oh, yeah.
Who?
Then Sophia says,
Ha!
what about me?
Who?
Please pick me.
Ha!
I want more days.
Who?
Can I have some more hours, please?
Ha!
Come on, Sophia. We know you can sit
Ha!
there. Then along came Tanya.
Who?
She said,
Ha!
don't you talk about my daughter that way.
Who?
You got something to say? You said,
Ha!
don't you say it to my daughter. You said it to me, I'll tell you how it's going to be. I say, Sophia, can you go out and wash that RV with your mother? And she says, no, please. Sophia, can you please go and help clean the toilets with your mother? She said, no, please. That's the sound of the man working very tired. Woo, woo, yeah, yeah. That's the sound of the man working very tired.
Ha!
Oh, yeah. The problem is, with this song, I haven't even got to Tom.
Oh, shit! Come on, that's fine! Who?
Taxi!
Ha!
Oh, yeah.
Who?
Oh, yeah.
Ha!
Oh, Tom.
Who?
Tom came And then he ran the other way. He said, I just don't want to stay. If there's work like this to be had, surely you can send me out of my old truck. There must be some mags that I can pick up, some that I can do with the fan on my face. I'm just feeling kind of hot, you know. It's my number 9 smoke code.
You need to have this as the ringtone at work. This needs to be the.